What do you guys say?
Hola, happy birthday!
Are you enjoying your Mexican vacation?
Happy birthday! We're really enjoying our Mexico vacation. Mexico, we're in Mexico.
What was that song you were singing the other day, Ian?
Oh, wait, what's that song again?
Was it something like Viva Mexico?
Oh, hey Mom, I'm gonna go swim in the water.
Okay, have a good time.
Okay, I'm gonna swim in the water.
Watch out for sharks.
Hey Mom, I need a towel.
Are you cold? Is the water cold or nice?
It's nice, but I want to get out now.
You're ready to get out? Okay, why don't you come on the towel and enjoy some refreshing lemonade.
Okay.
And we'll have fish tacos for dinner.
Yummy.
Happy birthday, Jazz. We love you.
Adios. Adios.